Hey, this is Mark at Homestead Garage, and I'm about to show these guys how to drive a zero-turn lawnmower. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have this competition because
he's going down.
I called them out on social media because I don't think they even know how to drive a side-by-side or a zero-turn.
I don't know how to drive a zero-turn. This is gonna be great.
That's what
I'm like the Dale Earnhardt of the Reagan zero-turn world.
That's it. Let's just not hit the wall that fast, buddy. Yeah.
This is Mark with Homestead Garage, and I'm gonna be calling out Stoney Ridge Farms and that Fix-It guy to see if they could drive faster through this course on a zero-turn than this farm guy right here.
I don't even know why Mark from Homestead Garage is calling me out right now. I've never even drove a zero-turn tractor before. But what the heck, let's do it.
There's this guy from Homestead Garage over here that's challenged me to a race on a zero-turn. I don't think the guy knows what he's doing. Personally, he doesn't even have any cows on his farm or nothing, just got a garage on his homestead and thinks he's big shot on the zero-turn, so we're gonna show him today. All right, sports fans, I'm Josh Draper, Stoney Ridge Farmer here at the Equip Expo, getting ready to spank somebody's butt on a zero-turn course. Just wait.
Hey guys, my name is Brian from That Fix-It Guy. It's a YouTube plumbing DIY channel, and I have no clue why I'm out here racing zero-turn mowers with these guys.
We are here at the Snapper outdoor exhibit, and what we're gonna do is this is where we're gonna go ahead and do the competition to see who's faster on the zero-turn.
Well, you know, I piss excellence, so.
Well, I like to think that I'm a little more Cal Naughton than Ricky Bobby, all right? And so I'm just gonna kind of get in there and shake and bake. We'll see how this rolls. Shake because it breaks.
Shake and bake, Cal. Woo! Shake and bake. You can bake it if you shake it.
Forget shake and bake. I'm more of like the magic man now.
I don't know. I think maybe just hugging these bales a little tight around the corner, maybe shifting my hips a little bit. It's all in the hips.
We're gonna go ahead and now turn it over to Gray, and Gray is gonna give us some information, the course and the rules over here.
Hey, I'm Gray Abercrombie. I'm Vice President of Marketing for DNA, and we manufacture Snapper, Murray, Green Machine, all the equipment that you see out here, and we're putting it through its paces this weekend at Equip Expo. All right, guys, so here's the rules. It's a road course. You got to do the roundabout once. You go up, you go round it one time and keep going. There's some real tricky curves that you'll see there. Then you get towards the end. After the last chicane, you have another tight curve right at the end.
Okay, so now we're here. We've all taken some practice drives. We're gonna try to figure out who's gonna go first here. So I think we need to do a Rochambeau here.
So do you do paper, rock, scissors, shoot? Or
you guys do paper, rock, scissors, and I'll
shoot. Paper. We all got to do it. So paper, rock, scissors, shoot, right?
Yeah, right. Paper, rock, scissors, shoot. Ready? Okay. 1, 2. I go third then.
Okay.
All right, so that's the thing.
And then Stan's going fourth.
Yeah.
Yes. So Stan, you got
Stan, Dirt Monkey, we're gonna be calling you out here in a little bit. So we're waiting for Stan to go.
Yes.
He's gonna be fourth. Ready? Ready? You guys ready? Ready. Doggy. All right, so the time to beat is going to be 1:08.
Whew, 1:08. Let's go. I'm gonna have a slow time here. Plumbers don't typically do this stuff.
This time we're gonna have some RPM.
Oh,
It's gonna outrun us both.
I don't think I did well at all.
9 out of 10 hay bales would agree Brian should not be doing this. 9 out of 10 hay bales would agree that Brian should not do this.
I'm pretty sure I would have broke every water feature in my yard. Okay, just so you guys know.
Hey, at least you didn't spill any beverage.
Oh, awesome.
Thank you, Kroger. Make it happen. Make it happen.
You know how we do it.
Look at that
I gotta
focus.
warm up the tires a little bit.
Look at this focus. Get them tires high. He's off. He's doing a grand job right now. Coming around through corner number 14, and that fix-it guy's running out. I heard a little splutter, This is the tightest turn right here where we come through in the unit circle right here. A little bail touch. Ah, no. Oh, there it went. There it went. Just lost the race. He's trying to do it backwards now. A little showing off here. Yep, corner 73 right here. Hard left. Coming back through, corner 78. Through the chicanes. A little bit of speed, carrying a little too much speed through the chicanes. Looks like we've got a couple bails out, another bail out, and another bail out, and we're finished. This portion of the show brought to you by Kroger Water. How did you feel here?
You know, I think one of the tires on the back seemed a little bit loose.
Yeah, it's always
Gotta
your
fix
pit
that
crew,
track
right?
up.
There you go.
They could have been a little bit warmer.
Yeah.
The fuel mix on
Hey,
it. Could have done a little bit better with it. I ran as light as I could.
Somebody bitching like Kyle Busch over here.
Good
This
thing.
was my team. I had a great car, pure talent. Pure talent. My team sucked.
Good thing we had a good pit crew to make sure everything was taken care of. All right, so the numbers are in.
Yes, they are.
The winner of today's event is going to be Stoney Ridge Farmer Josh over here.
What happened?
Josh, sorry for talking some smack
What
on
happened,
social
man?
media. He got a 108, I got a 112, and Brian ended up getting a 127.
Not bad for a plumber.
Not bad for a plumber, but I gotta eat my words now, and I apologize for calling out Stoney Ridge Farmer. So that's it for today's events over here at the Equip Expo. Thanks a lot to Snapper for having us here today. And you gotta check out their products, their new line of Snapper, the Z42, and their hybrid green machine.